Hey friends, I have something so exciting to share with you. This is Feather the Owl, and it is one of the diffusers in our Kids Sense line. So Young Living just released a kids kit, you guys, a kids kit especially designed for the kiddos. I'm super pumped for this because all of us that have kids in our life have been waiting for something like this where you can just buy all the goodness together at one stop. So this is the diffuser that comes with it. I personally love owls, so I just adore this little diffuser. It is a great size, great compact for a bedroom or on a desk, which I like to keep this one on my desk, and just whimsical and cute. So I'm going to show you the functionality of it because it's really simple to use, but there's a lot in this little one. So first of all, you're going to take off your lid, and inside you see there is a little divot, and that's your fill line. So just grab some water and fill it up to the line. I'm not gonna go all the way because I don't spill. And put your top back on just like so. So on the front, you see his little talons, his little feet, and you're gonna have two sets of controls, and they're the middle toe on each one. This first one is the mist output. So you touch it once and it's at high output mode. You touch it twice and it's gonna go to low output mode. And you touch it 3 times and it's gonna go on and off every minute. So it's gonna last you almost 10 hours, I think, when it's a full reservoir. So that's a really long time for a diffuser. It really stretches out the oils that you put in there. And then again, to turn it off. So we're gonna put him back on to high. Then, or her, we're going to touch this toe over here is your light output. So you touch it once and it dims the light. It automatically goes to a white light when you first turn it on, and then you can touch it again and it goes dim. And you touch it a third time and it's going to flash, and it's going to cycle through all of the colors that are there, which is kind of like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. So kind of through the rainbow. If you want a specific color, you just touch it again and you cycle through those colors. And they don't fluctuate, it's just the camera's picking up, you know, weird lighting for some reason. But they don't flutter at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on. Let's do the other one. There we go. Okay, so your controls on the back are your sound controls. So this also doubles as a white noise machine. So those of you who have children or yourself that need that extra white noise while you're sleeping, this is great for that. So on the back here, you've got a sound and you've got a music. So if you hit the music, it's going to go, and I'll turn up the volume and see if you can hear it. That's rain. It's the jungle or the forest. This is the ocean. This is a fan or wind. It sounds to me like a fan. So, which actually sounds really similar to just having the diffuser on itself. And then we're back to music again. So I love that. And then you've got your sound also. So if you wanted to increase the volume or decrease it, and then again to turn it off. So I love this diffuser. It is so great. So it's coming in the kids kit now. You can also order a diffuser anytime, really. If you have an account with Young Living, you can order Feather anytime. If you order Feather by itself, it does come with a 5 milliliter of lavender, so that's a bonus. When you get the kids kit is $135 right now. It comes with 5 of the Kids Sense oils, which is genius, great for just cognitive, just all good brain power on that one. You're gonna get tummy jies, which is great for your tummy. You're gonna get snifflies, so you've got anything going on up there. Sleepy eyes, which is great to throw a roller fitment on the top of it, roll it on the bottom of your kiddo's feet at nap time or at bedtime. You're gonna get also 2 of these roller fitments. Tummy jies, which is awesome for digestive issues, because we all have digestive issues at times, and owie. So owie is really great for any bumps and owies, right? So I have personal really great success on just things when you get an owie, right? Put that oil on there and it really helps with promoting healthy skin tissue on that one. So I'm super excited to show you guys the kids kit, and this is Feather the Owl. You are going to love it. Have any questions on how to order it, how to get it, just shoot me a message, and we will get you all the info that you need. And you can see there is a lot of missed output on this. Obviously it's rather new. I've had this one for a little while, but it's a great output. So excited for you to get your kids kit for your kiddos or for yourself. You know, there's no judgment. You love owls or you want these kids oils, which work really great on adults too. So we'll talk to you soon. Have a fabulous day.